If you are somebody that uses wood dowels, yes, dowels, I am going to show you a quick and easy tip today that's basically going to save you a lot of time and money, my friend. And the best part about it is you don't need one of these expensive jigs. Yeah, we're talking about easy wood joinery. But why would I do that, you ask? Because it's Tool Tip Tuesday.
It's Tool Tip Tuesday. Yeah! Tool Tip for free. Yeah!
What's up, everybody? My name is Clint and welcome to the Tool Review Zone channel. If you like cool tools, tips, tricks, and all that good stuff, get subscribed, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of these. All right, so here's what we got for you today. We're trying to join up two pieces of wood. Now, what a lot of people will do is simply just glue these up, but a lot of people like to use wood dowels. I am also one of those people, depending on what project I'm working on. Me personally, I feel that they add a little bit of strength and stability to the project. However, sometimes they could be a real pain in the ass. And not only that, sometimes you gotta go out and buy special jigs to get everything lined up just right, make sure that you drill your holes and blah, 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 blah. And those could actually cost some money and time. So I'm gonna show you this really cool and quick, easy tip that's going to blow your mind. Come on, I'll show you. Come on. So right here, I have two pieces of the wood. Now, these are just scrap pieces of wood for demonstration purposes. The reason I'm using scrap wood for this video is a new 2x4 would probably run me $53,000. All right, so to put in your wood dowel, what you would probably do is just come over here and get your straight edge and then mark it off where these two pieces of wood are going to join. You know, that's for the jig and all. But what's cool about this trick is you don't even have to worry about that. You see, because today, all I'm gonna use is two finishing nails. But you do gotta make sure that you at least have a smaller head up on top, so a pin nail won't work for this. And to prevent these things from moving around on me, I'm just gonna add a little bit of super glue to secure these two together. So now that that's dry, I'm just gonna take this, I'm gonna put this where I want my dowels. Put that right in the middle like so. I'm gonna take my piece of wood. Now these things won't roll around on me. Line that up to where I want it. Make sure it's nice and flush. I'm gonna take my non-mallet right here. I would never ever use a hammer like this if I was actually building a project. I would use a rubber mallet, but that, my friend, is down in the shop. It's just way too lazy to go down there to get it. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna smack it. So now I got two small indentations. I got one on this piece of wood and I got a couple on this piece of wood. So now all I gotta do is take out my drill and line it up with those holes that I just put in there. Go straight down and one over here. And then do the same on this one right here. And now I just take my dowels. Go with the next one here. Remember, you want to use a rubber mallet, not a regular hammer, but this is demonstration purposes. Now I take my second piece and I'm trying to join. Put that down right over top like so. Man, I'm making a mess. There you go. As you can see, perfectly straight, perfectly flush. You put your glue down the joint lines and in the dowel area. It's Tool Tip Tuesday. So it's super quick, super cheap. You don't need any special jigs. There you go, and it works perfect every single time. You just need to make sure that those nails are lined up straight down the middle of the board that you are trying to attach. But I want to know what you think. Have you ever seen this trick before? Have you ever used this trick? Or if you have another trick, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Love hearing your feedback and what you all have to say. Also, if this video has helped you in any sort of way, please don't forget to smash that like button. Appreciated. And don't forget to get subscribed, hit that bell notification because we come out with multiple videos a week and I would hate for you to miss any of them. I always appreciate you stopping by. With that, we'll be back with more videos soon.